2 weeks with a hairy ass armpit. Y'all better like this video. Bitch! Why would anybody do this to themselves? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daily Slay with me. Thank you for tuning in to this video. As you can tell from the title, I'm about to do something really crazy, and I am super nervous. If you can't tell, that's why I'm smiling so much. Before I start this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you like content like this where I do stuff outside of hair or beauty stuff, just let me know. This is definitely something new for me, like self-care videos. So yeah, if y'all like it, comment that below and make sure you subscribe. If you're wondering where I got this hair from, it is a wig, baby. Surprise! It is a wig. It's not my natural hair. It's a headband wig I got from Love Me Hair. The link to that will be in the description box just in case you want to purchase that. Oh, PSA, if you're grossed out by like pubic hair and stuff like that, this is not the video for you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to flash you like that, sis, but I've been growing out my armpit hair for probably like 2 weeks or so. Yes, I know that's a little gross, but I've been watching videos and researching before I did this, and they said like the longer and more hair you have is the less it hurt. With all that being said, let's just get into the video. This is not a paid promotion. I just bought this on my own, and I was actually inspired by Naturally Sunny. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers. You can go ahead and check her channel out. It'll be in the description box as well. She put a video out trying it, and it kind of inspired me to try it, and I really trust what she says. So if you want to go check her out, go ahead. She gave me the idea. I got the waxing kit from Amazon. This is what it looks like. This is my first time trying something like this on myself, so like you about to be in for a treat, because I don't know how I'm gonna like react to this. So yeah, this is the kit. Let me show you guys what comes inside of it. All right, so you get like 5 different packages for the waxing to like melt. It's like hard wax, and then once you turn the waxing thingy majigger on, it melts the wax. So you get like 5 different flavors. So this is lavender, the purple one. The green one is tea tree. I might try that. Then we have lemon, the yellow one. Then we have peppermint. Ooh, peppermint is another green one. And we have eucalyptus. This is blue one. I like these flavors. They're not like fruity flavors. I like that. I don't know. For some reason, I feel more like clean, especially like peppermint or like the eucalyptus one. Smelling fresh. And then you get these sticks, the waxing sticks, popsicle stick things. You get like a pack of those. This is a good amount. I ain't gonna hold you. This will last you a while. You get another pack of smaller sticks, like the regular popsicle sticks. These are a little bit thicker, so I'm probably gonna go with this one because I'm really waxing like my entire armpit. So these are probably like for little areas that you're trying to wax. This one is like if you're trying to wax more, in my opinion. Yeah, you get a pre-wax liquid and then like an after wax liquid that you put on your skin. So you put this on first and this one you put on after. So then the next thing you get, of course, is the machine that you use to melt the wax. It's kind of cute. It's like little, you know, got a little purple top on it, purple lid. It's in a bag or whatever, but purple lid. And ooh, inside of it, okay, that makes sense. Okay, so inside of it, it comes with like some gloves. Okay, this is a kit. This is like a real nice kit. And then it comes with the lids for the bottles I showed you earlier. It's like spray lids, so you can just spray them on and off. And then this is where you put the wax inside. This is the amount that it could hold. I believe it's just a pack that you use depending on where you're waxing, but I'm just gonna use one whole pack for my armpits just to try it out. But this is like the space in it. I'm using my hand to like show y'all. So this is like this amount of space that's inside of it, and then you just plug it in. The only thing that I'm using that's not included in the package is some baby powder. Y'all gonna see when I apply that to, you know, take out some moisture from under my armpit, because the more moisture you have, apparently it makes it hurt more, or like it doesn't stick, the wax doesn't stick to the hair to pull it out. So yeah, and then I'm gonna use like these little cotton pads You could get this at like Walmart, CVS, somewhere like that. It's just some cotton pads that you could use to apply the spray, like wipe it in, like the before and after spray. Again, this idea I got from Sunny, so definitely check her out. All right, so I took a shower and stuff, and I didn't put on any deodorant, of course. So there's literally nothing under my armpit. I may have been sweating just a little bit because I was getting ready for this video, but I'm gonna use the pre-wax spray, and I'm gonna spray it on my armpits. Ooh. I think I sprayed too much. It actually smells good. Okay. Oh my God, why am I doing this to myself? Why am I doing this to myself? I turned my the machine up all the way to like melt the wax, but I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna turn it down a little bit to so it's not too hot for my skin, but I'm gonna turn it up just to melt it. And then they also said, like in the videos, and also I've seen it in the pamphlet that you get to like, you know, guide you, it says to like test it on your wrist, just to test like how hot it is and how much, you know, the heat you could bear. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that too. So the wax has melted. It probably took like 30 minutes or so for the whole pack to melt. But yeah, so I put my put the before wax thing on my armpits, but while I've been waiting, you know, I was sweat under there, so I gotta make sure it's really dry. And I'm gonna put some powder on there to make it even more, you know, dry. Ooh, this is so messy. Like, I forgot how messy powder was. Oh, quick tip, when you turn it down for it to cool, like it'll show, when you turn it, it'll show where you want it to go. Like say you want it to go to 130, you could turn it, it'll say 130, and then the number is gonna change to where it's currently at, and then the number will like slowly go down to what you want. So don't be alarmed by that, because I was just like, what is going on just now? But that's what that means. I think it's sticky enough, so I'm about to try it on my wrist just to see if it's too hot or what. It is a little warm. Okay. Can you imagine when this is taking off some hair? Oh, baby. Okay. Let me try like ripping it. It's not bad because it's my wrist and there's no hair. All right, armpit time, armpit time. Ooh, it's okay, it's okay. You're supposed to like do it the first time. This wax about to fall off. You're supposed to like go, the first time you put it on, you're supposed to like go the direction go the direction your hair is going. So let's go. Oh, it's on. 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 Okay. Okay. Oh my God. I think it's hard enough. Okay. It's okay, Abby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. So I'm gonna pull like from down here. Honestly, I have a feeling that it's not. It's okay. Bitch. So Sunny said to make like a lip, like a oh, Jesus Christ, Jesus. Okay, what you breathe in? What she said? She said, take a deep breath in and hold as much as you can. When you can't hold it no more, you pull it. All right. Ooh, I can feel it pulling. I can feel it pulling. I can feel it pulling. Oh my God, I can. You a bad bitch. What the? Okay. Okay, oh no, I can't do this. It's literally just this left. How do you get this off? Why is it coming off like that? Ooh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, like, it's just not okay. It's not okay. Bitch! Pull it, just pull it. Ready, set, go. Alright you guys, sorry about like the lighting difference and stuff. I had to turn my light box on because I took too long to do my other armpit because I was scared. But yeah, that's why the lighting is different. But that girl armpit is waxed. I need to scrub a little harder, but it's waxed and I'm happy. Like, it don't burn afterwards. And this armpit, like, once I did like the first one, I was like, okay, it's really not that bad. But it just took me a minute to start it because I was scared. But yeah, y'all should try it. The kit is affordable and everything, so that's good. And as y'all can see, like, I did it myself. I'm not no what you call the people that girl, I don't remember, but I'm not professional. I'm literally just trying this out and I wanted y'all to see. I feel great. I feel like a new woman. But yeah, y'all, so hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and the direct link again will be in the description box to the kit as well as my hair, if you guys want to check that out. And thank you guys for tuning in.